Greetings. We're here with Eleanor Wright. She's the Executive Director of the Greenville Arts Council. And we're here visiting EE-Bass, and we're learning about their Save the Building Fund. Eleanor, how are you doing today?
I'm great. Well, I'm so appreciative of you being here. It is very wonderful and gracious of you all to do this.
No problem. Well, I hope today will be a learning experience for us all, because not only we're going to learn about why it's important to save the EE-Bass and building, but I'm excited just so the community can learn about what all EE-Bass does have to offer, because it's more than just art for the community. There's so much more located here, and so I can't wait till we take a little tour and see what we have.
Well, we're very fortunate to have EE-Bass. EE-Bass houses Delta Center Stage. It houses the Delta Children's Museum. It houses the umbrella, the Delta Artist Association. It houses studios for artists. And we always have an exhibit, an art exhibit going. All the time there is something going on, and we go from all ages.
Well, and those are the type of events that the Art Council is doing to pivot in this time and try to figure out ways to thrive and continue. And that kind of leads us back to the Save the Building, that now is the time.
The building is, as I say, in deplorable condition, and it's really sad. The roof was put on about 20 years ago, and when it was put on, they did not move the stone balusters that were on top of the roof. They roofed around them, which means we've had seepage all down the brick walls. So we don't only just need a roof, the wood that's holding the windows in place is rotten. We replace windows weekly. Water literally just comes in. When it rains, it just comes right on in. Like right up in here. Every time it rains, ceilings flake down. They just come down constantly.
And y'all have just repatched over and over, you
Yes.
can see.
Yeah, you can see where it's been patched numerous times. We have, as you can tell, leaks all up here. Any rusting you see on this metal, and you see the blue buckets.
Yep.
Lowe's has been kind enough to donate lots of blue buckets. But water, literally, when it rains, it just comes down. And the ceilings on the first and the second floor. And somebody said, well, how are you getting, holes in the ceilings on the first floor? And I said, it's through the seepage through the walls. They've gone through the floors because the water was able to seep in through the walls and has gone horizontal. It wasn't just vertical.
So it's the main foyer we're walking through right here, and I'm noticing some water damage even on the ceiling here. And this was, as you were talking about, the first floor seepage.
All through. Yeah, it comes right through.
And unfortunately, as you mentioned, with the seepage, we don't want to damage any of the art. I mean, at the root of what you're displaying here is art.
This is the Roger G. Malcolm Gallery. It's 3 rooms, but as you can see,
oh wow,
these are holes on the first floor from the second floor.
just right through.
It's all damaged. And I would really like, as you can see, when you come in here, you know that's getting ready to come down.
Y'all have the engineering plans and everything. Y'all have a plan, and that's something important for donors to know, that when they're donating money, it is to an exact plan to get this remediated. That's
Immediately.
Yes.
All of that is in place. All the commitments have been made. It's just raising the funds for this potential grant.
I know that y'all partnered with the Community Foundation of Washington County.
Yes.
And set up a fund, and this allows residents, stakeholders, anybody from anywhere to assist in this project and donate money for this fund.
And we have been so blessed. We have had donations from $10 to $20,000. So, as I say, it doesn't matter how much. We will need every penny for the roof and the windows for this building to continue.